Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just wanted to document real quick the status of the bees going into February. Today's February 2nd. It's gonna get colder after today. So it warmed up a little bit. We had a little bit of snow come through. And it's gonna get cold after today. Today's approaching 40. Let's see what's going on. They're all up at the top here. Big wall of bees up at the top here. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Can they get at this? Let's see if I can grate some of this into there. That's the one thing I didn't realize, that once you have this, it's not like you can take this off and put more underneath, because then the bees will all be out. I think they can get past the mesh to this stuff. This Winter Pro patty. Let's grate some of this in there. But yeah, there's a big cluster of bees here. Still fondant. So I've got to cover this up. Forget that it's cold out. So this is New England Gardening. Today's February 2nd. And I still have bees. It has been sort of a mild winter so far though.